Hey everyone! I've got a quick question for you. Would you rather have a slice of pizza or a bowl of broccoli? Candy or an apple? Soda or a glass of water? If you picked the pizza, candy, and soda, don't worry. We all love those things sometimes. But did you know that what you eat can make you feel strong, happy, and full of energy? Or it can make you feel tired, sluggish, and even grumpy? What if I told you that making healthy food choices is actually super easy and delicious? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make smart food choices and feel amazing. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are healthy foods? Healthy foods are foods that help your body grow, give you energy, and make you feel your best. Let's break it down. Vegetables, broccoli, carrots, spinach, and peppers. They're packed with vitamins that help you stay strong. Fruits, apples, bananas, strawberries, and oranges give you natural sugars for energy. Whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats help keep you feeling full and focused. Proteins, chicken, fish, beans, and nuts help build strong muscles. Dairy milk, yogurt, and cheese give you calcium for strong bones and teeth. Think of healthy foods like fuel for your body. The better the fuel, the better you feel. Now let's talk about the not-so-healthy stuff. Candy, chips, soda, and fast food might taste good, but they don't have the nutrients your body needs. They give you a quick burst of energy, but then you crash. You feel grumpy. You want more and more sugar. It's okay to have treats sometimes, but too much junk food makes it harder for your body to feel its best. So, what's the solution? Let's make this super simple. Rule #1. Aim to eat something from each food group at every meal. A sandwich with whole wheat bread, turkey, cheese, lettuce, and tomato =. Perfect combo. Rule #2. Eat the rainbow. The more colorful your plate, the more vitamins you're getting. Red apples, tomatoes, peppers. Orange, oranges, sweet potatoes, carrots. Yellow bananas, squash, corn. Green, broccoli, spinach, cucumbers. Blue, blueberries, eggplant. Rule #3. Choose water over soda or juice most of the time. Water helps keep your brain and body working properly. Here's a challenge. Try to swap one unhealthy snack for a healthy one this week. Instead of chips, try carrot sticks with hummus. Instead of candy, try frozen grapes. Instead of soda, try fruit-infused water. Sometimes it's hard to make healthy choices by yourself, and that's okay. That's why you have people who want to help you. Parents, they can help you pack a healthy lunch or cook a balanced dinner. Teachers, they can teach you about good nutrition and help you make better choices at school. Friends, you can try healthy snacks together or encourage each other to make smart choices. Doctors or nurses, they can give you advice about what your body needs to stay healthy. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Ask for help if you need it. Okay, quick review. Healthy foods =. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, protein, and dairy. Junk food =. Okay sometimes, but too much makes you feel bad. Drink lots of water. Ask for help when you need it. Now it's your turn. Write down 3 healthy foods you love. Then ask a parent, teacher, or friend to help you plan a meal using those foods. You've got this. You're already on your way to becoming a healthy food expert. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and easy tips. And let us know in the comments. What's your favorite healthy snack? See you next time, and stay healthy.